Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check all the commands of the voice control on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down, go to accessibility, then go to the voice control, and then go to the commands. And here you're going to find all the commands in those sections. So the basic navigation, as you can see, you have all the commands right here. Overlays, also all the commands. So in the basic gestures, also all the commands, as you can see. Advanced dictation, everything that you can do with the voice control is right here. You can go into search for the command, learn that command, for example text deleting. So you can say delete next line, for example, and this is going to be the next line is going to be deleted and the text. So as you can see, there are various and a lot of options of the voice control, so you can here check those on. So again, how to get to it: in the main settings page, swipe down, accessibility, voice control, and then just go to the commands. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!